10 tips on how to be a better student. 1. Develop a definite schedule and stick to it. Allocate specific blocks of time for study, recreation, and relaxation. 2. Set realistic goals. Break up big assignments into smaller tasks and set short-term goals for yourself. 3. Get organized. Have a designated area for studying, keep a calendar to track due dates, and organize your notes and assignment sheets. 4. Take good notes. Take notes during lectures and then review them. Use different colors to highlight important points. 5. Take advantage of technology. Utilize online resources and use technology as a tool to stay organized and connected. 6. Develop effective study habits. Try different study techniques to find out which works best for you. 7. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a professor, tutor, or peer. 8. Stay focused. Eliminate distractions when studying. Turn off the TV and your cell phone and focus on the task at hand. 9. Reward yourself. When you reach a goal or finish a difficult assignment, reward yourself with something fun. 10. Take care of yourself. Get enough sleep, eat healthy, and exercise regularly. These activities will help you stay focused and energized.